G'day, I'm Peter at VK4EA, and just show you some of my test gear I brought down for the test and tune-up day. So here we've got a swoop oscillator. It's an old HP device, but very stable. Got plugins from 1.8 to 18 gigs. I use that for measuring return loss on antennas, feed horns, and that sort of thing. Pretty useful for that. An old spectrum analyzer I picked up quite cheap in the surplus market. The signal generator, which I use with the cone generator, which produces harmonics right up the spectrum, so it's very useful as a signal source. My frequency counter, which is good for 26 gigs, again not very expensive, got that in the surplus market, very useful device. And my portable signal generator, which is not finished yet. I just ordered Adam VK4GHZ design for that. It's based on the Graham Burns XDK design. And at the moment it's putting out a harmonic on 5.7 gigs, so you can see it's a relatively clean signal, not bad for a harmonic. And this instrument is pretty old, but I've been trying to baby it so I can keep some years into it, because it's pretty expensive to replace. So starting from the left, just a bit of spectrum analyzer 101. This is a frequency device, so we're sweeping the frequency from left to right rather than a crow sweeping in time from left to right. So this is showing a harmonic or a signal, if you like, on around about 5.76 gigahertz. So that's coming out of the signal generator, and it's relatively clean, so you can see there's not too much stuff either side. I can blow it up a bit so you can see, get out of the way. So what I'm doing is I'm widening the bandwidth, so you can see, just how clean the signal is. And these little bits of fur around here are known, if you get that too wide, that's known as phase noise. So you can see that's relatively clean. I'm pretty happy with that. As a portable field source, it's ideal, it's perfect. So starting from left, the controls are the tuning control. That moves the display left and right, much like the time race on a crow. This is the bandwidth control, so I can go in and have a look at all the spectrum. So that's 50 megahertz from here to here, and obviously that's quite a small slice. And this is the attenuator. So you have to be careful not to put too much signal in these things, otherwise you will blow them up. And that allows me to change the height. So that has a way more attenuation in. Let's get more bandwidth in that. So you can see the signal increase. That's the reference. So that's the attenuator. Other than that, it's a very, very basic device. There's nothing too complicated about it. It's 1980s vintage, so they're very easy to drive for home use.